first of all, I will tell you that I was lucky enough to serve in the Appellate Division in New Jersey. I did fairly well in Duke Law School, where I went, and I interviewed and was accepted to be a law clerk to a judge in the Appellate Division. So, having had that experience, I began to take more and more appeals because I felt comfortable. And more of my colleagues were referring these cases to me. Now I have quite a number. I think probably, I would say the number of appeals that I've handled are easily in the hundreds. When does it make sense to appeal? Really, in every case that I consult with a client with respect to, I tell them it's really, to a certain extent, math. And let me explain. I will be able to tell you or tell the prospective client the likelihood of success. Of course, I can't, guarantee any result, but I could tell someone 75%, 25%, 90%. That's one aspect of the math. Then I will say, okay, let's put that aside. Now, how much is it going to cost? And I will give real answers. I will tell you exactly how much it costs, and oftentimes it's a capped fee or a fee that's that you can make payments toward. But in any event, you know how much it's going to cost. And then you have to multiply the likelihood of success with respect to how much it's going to cost. And then the other issue, the other variable is how much is it, what's at stake, right? So how much money is at stake? Certainly you wouldn't spend more money on the appeal than it's worth ultimately. Ultimately, you wouldn't spend a lot of money on appeal to maybe claw back 2 hours of parenting time on a Sunday when the kid's 17, right? So you have to put all those variables together. Now, I say it's math. I'm joking. These are the considerations, but I'll help you through it. I'll help you make those determinations on why, when, and why it makes sense to appeal, and when it doesn't.